Spirit sends us forth to serve in Jesus' name, to bring the tidings to the poor, God's fever to proclaim.
We go to comfort those who mourn and set the burden free,
where hope is dim, to share a dream and help the blind to see. Then let us go to serve in peace, the gospel to proclaim. God's Spirit has